Hi, today I'm going to show you how to light and burn a Kitchen Queen Hearthmaster wood cook stove. We cleaned out the ashes, which I'll show you at the end how easy that is. And I'm going to walk you all the way through it, how fast it warms up, what every lever is for, and how to use them. How fast the oven warms, and how fast you can cook on it. Everything you're going to need to know to use a wood cook stove, or at least to use the Hearthmaster by Kitchen Queen. So if you're new to a wood cook stove and how to use them, stay tuned. This is a great off-grid stove. This is a great emergency stove. This is a great energy independent stove. The lever in the back is pushed in. And we're starting the clock from a cold start. Yes, when starting it, I left the ash door open just a little bit. It helps improve the draft. I don't leave it open very long. This is about 30 seconds to a minute in. The flue's warming up. We're about 5, maybe 8 minutes into this, and I'm gonna pull out the oven bypass so it'll start to heat the oven. Cools off as we get over towards the oven, and we are less than 10 minutes in. So we're about 12 minutes into this, and I'm closing this off, shutting the ash pan, and the only air it's getting is through the regular air intake here on the door. Now, we're about 15 minutes in. Burning nice. So we're up to 350 on the oven. And I'll take the digital thermometer here. We're at about 35 minutes. Bottom of the oven's about 450. The back's about 430. The far side is 511. And this side over here towards the firebox is actually the coolest side at 460. So, in a few minutes, that's going to read a lot more in there. The thermometer on the oven door is reading a little slow compared to the temp on the inside. But we're well into the 350 category inside. I'm closing it down a little bit because one can cook just fine on it at this point. Cooking surface, plenty of heat from side to side. Boil water all the way to the back. And that, in under an hour,